I'll never know what brought me here, as if somebody led my hand. It seems I've hardly had to steer, my course was planned. In destiny it guides us all, and by its hand we rise and fall. Only for a moment, time enough to catch our breath again. Just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan.